Okay, another one of my videos didn't work, so this is what we're going to do. 13 cards in a suit. Add them up, 1 to 13 equals 91. 4 suits equal 364. 13 times 28 equals 364. There's 13 moons. The heart, the club, the diamond, and the spade make up the last day of the year, the 365th day. And then the diamond, which can be reverted upside down, up or down, and look the same on both sides. And that counts for the 0.25 of the day as the diamond connects. The diamond is number 6 and number 9. The spade is number 9. The club is number 2. The earth heart is number 7 or 52. Now you got to take into consideration that heart and earth, all you have to do is move the front H to the back or move the back H to the front to get each of the words. The club, the CL and U, is 3, 3, and 3, and totals 38, which means that the club as is, that you see 3 balls and it does connect to the 3 elements of space. If you add them up, okay, if you add them up or just mark them out, it becomes 7269. But really and truthfully, because spade is actually hard on earth, it becomes 7286. Hinds, Hinz. The letters invert to look like each other. Forget about the E. And it's a total of 57. That's coming up next year. If you add the E to it in Heinz, it becomes 62, and the number of Heinz and ketchup is 85958. 8 and 5 is 13, 8 and 5 is 13. 8 times 5, 8 plus 5 is 53. Um, 5 times 5 implies 5 plus 5 equals 35, the reverse. Um, Where else can you go? We're going to just do something really small. M, R, and K are all used. M and K is used for kosher. All these 3 are used to represent the 13th card, which is the king. 13 and 18 is 31, and 11 is 42. 42 or 24 represents 68, and that represents the word planet. Um, okay, I don't know if I really want to do much more. Um, So another thing you have to remember that when you add up all the cards, it ends up to be 91, like I said, in every single suit. I'm trying to figure out, oh, the other thing I wanted to just add on, these would be suspenders. Y in the back of the suspenders or an X in the back. This is the one John Lennon was wearing. Looks like the M, and M in French as a sound says love. Look, in Roman numerals it says 9/11. Or you can just put the V there, okay, and she'll say 4 and 6. Or 9/11, if you say 4 and 6 and 9/11, add them up and see what you get. I'm not quite sure what we did in the last video. We spoke about the alley cat gets 4 men, or Muhammad Ali was boxing against George Foreman, another George. 40 years later, 40 years later, another George comes to the rink. Next year, within the next year, 10 says 2014. 20th letter and 14th letter. 2005, 2014. E5 and N5. I don't know why, but it says Haiti. I'm not sure what it means. I-80. I'm not sure what it means, like I said. Um, there's so many things. If you do this in Monopoly, and you have 2 of the squares per box, and each of the corners get 4. When you go around corner to corner Monopoly, you get 24, 24 is what you get. Don't forget some of the rules. If you get doubles once, twice, 3 times in Monopoly, you go to jail. So we have to play with the rules. Raphael 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus. There's so many things that I haven't done. There's so many things that I'm missing. We're going to catch up. We're going to catch up. Not laughing about Heinz. I've been seeing this number so often lately, 7, 5, and 3, and it's definitely connected to Nibiru. Um, yeah, so what can you take for serious right now? Because I'm not showing you any numbers, I'm just speaking. So I'm going to stop. I'm just going to leave it right now. Come up with something tomorrow. If you have nothing to do, just turn me on and see what you can get out of it. Raphael, 7286. I never said I was right. I never said I was perfect. I'm just looking at the numbers. That's all. Thank you.